part 2 development chapter. We are going to discuss the how two groups may conflict notion of development. For the different two groups, the meaning of development. This is important question for the so many time asked in the by CBSE. Explain how two groups may have conflict in the terms of notion of development. Other person. Prosperous farmers from Punjab have different development goals. Even the landless rural laborer have different goals. Prosperous rich farmers from Punjab have the development goal like price of crops, high family income, hard working and cheap laborers, while the landless rural laborers डेवलपमेंट गोल क्या है उनके लिए better wages, more income, more days of work, and they want local school for their children and no social discrimination. And a boy, rich urban family wants carefree life, studies abroad. What there, what a girl, rich urban family wants safe and liberal environment, studies abroad, and also want brother should contribute in housework. And Adivasi from Narmada Valley wants no huge dam construction, while in the same time industrialist wants no more dams, while Adivasi in Narmada Valley wants no huge dam and they wants more electricity to produce by the like Sardar Sarovar dams. Okay. Mention next question, important question for the board exam. 3 marks question for like mention any 3 characteristics of development. First, people have different development goal, and second, income is the most important content. Income is the most important component of development for some people. It may be destructive for the others. Means this income may be development for the industrialist, like for cheap labor, through cheap labor. But this may be destructive for the laborers. They demand more wages, more income, more wages, more days of work. So, one, one component of development for the one person, and that may be destructive to the other person. For development, people look at mixed goals. Like besides seeking more income, people also seeking like equal treatment, freedom, security, respect of others, like clean environment, like this. Income and other goals. Wants clean environment, carefree life, safe and liberal environment. Income. Now think, can income be a measure of development? क्या इनकम जो है डेवलपमेंट को मेजर करने के लिए हो सकता है, यूज कर सकते हैं? हाउ डू वी कंपेयर डेवलपमेंट एट डिफरेंट कंट्री? हम कैसे डेवलपमेंट को कंपेयर करते हैं डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कंट्रीज में? नेशनल इनकम, नेशनल डेवलपमेंट, ग्रॉस नेशनल इनकम, ग्रॉस नेशनल इनकम GNI, GNI के इनको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में क्या लिख सकते हैं? वी कैन राइट हियर GNI. GNI means gross national income is the value that all income produced by country's residents. In country residence means citizen and non-citizen also. कंट्री की टेरिटरी में इन द जोग्राफिकल बॉर्डर ऑफ एनी कंट्री, उसके बॉर्डर में जो कोई भी लोग रहते हैं उनकी इनकम तो GNI कहते हैं, ठीक है। Both citizen and foreign citizen within its geographical border, plus net receipt of income like wage, salary, property income from abroad, all covered under the GNI. Okay, in short, GNI is a measure of all money, goods, services, and investment that come into or stay in the country. Now, question arose: can income be a measure of development? Yes or no? Answer is no. Because different countries have different population. So comparing total income will not tell us what an average person is likely to earn. What is an average? Like some countries have so much huge population, and some countries have less population and more GNI. So income cannot be a measure of development. So average. Next question: can average income a measure? Can we take average income as a measure of development? Hmm? Average income how we calculate? एवरेज इनकम के लिए एक फॉर्मूला है, क्या यूज करते हैं? टोटल इनकम डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल पॉपुलेशन ऑफ दैट कंट्री, इसको बोलते हैं क्या? एवरेज इनकम। दैट इज कॉल्ड PCI, पर कैपिटा इनकम। इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फॉर 1 मार्क। ओके, एवरेज इनकम a measure of development. World, according to World Development Report 2017, countries with per capita income of US dollar 12,056 per annum and above are called rich countries, and countries with per capita income less than or equal to 955 per annum or less are called low income countries. And in 2017, India India's comes was just 80-20 per annum. So in the middle of both. So we can say India is middle income country. Average, now question arose: average average income, PCI, per capita income. PCI stands for per capita income. PCI also hide disparities. How? We explain through example. Now we will we will see comparison of two country. For example, A and B. In country A and B, monthly income of citizen in 2012 in rupees. In first citizen like this, second citizen, third, fourth, and fifth. Total of all country A income, total income is 50,000. Country B total income 50,000. But average also same, 10,000. In which country will you be a happier to live in? कौन सी कंट्री में आप रहना पसंद करेंगे? ए और बी? ऑब्वियसली ए, बिकॉज इन ए कंट्री individual income is more, but in the other country B, income is only one hand, fourth person, fifth person. Okay, other person have more, very less income. So average also hide disparities. Okay, why do we use average? Now question arose: why do we use average? Are there any limitation to their use? Illustrate with example. Important question. 5 marks or 3 marks maybe. Okay. While taking total income as comparison, the total population varies from country to country. Big country have higher value than a smaller country. So that's why average are taken. What average neglects inequality, so the real situation of improvement is not reflected. Average are not useful for comparison, they hide disparities. Average income, mixed goal. Average income, other criteria, measure of development. We take average income and other criteria for measure of development. Earlier, when we looked at the individual goal, we found that people have not think only of income. There are so mixed goals, so many goals. Okay, income, more income is the primary goal. Other goals, in the other goals, liberty, respect in the society, freedom, equal treatment, peaceful life, security. Okay, these are the other important goals. But primary goal is more income. So we took example for the three states Haryana, Kerala and Bihar. PCI in 2015-16 all three states का PCI दिया हुआ है 1,62,034 in rupees and in three states according to PCI Haryana is in best position and second is infant mortality rate per thousand 2016 report. What is infant mortality report? IMR. IMR means infant mortality rate. IMR indicates the number of children that die before the age of 1 year as a proportion of in the ratio of 100 live children born in that particular year. Means in that particular year, in that particular year, the ratio of 100 live children, 1000 live children may how many children died? Okay, number of children died before the age of 1 year as proportion of 1000 live children born in that particular age year. That ratio is known as IMR. This is data given in 2016 report. Next, literacy rate. Third point taken by the for the other criteria, net attendance ratio as a percent of total number of children in the same age group. Net attendance ratio as a percentage of total number of children in the same age group. For the secondary age as 14 to 15 years. So, we will see here Kerala is in better position in other three goals. Only in the PCI in the primary goals per capita income, Haryana is the better position. But other goals are better in the Kerala. What are the reason behind that? Better public distribution system, better health facility, and better school education in the Kerala. That's why the other 3 points Kerala is in better position. So next question. This is your homework. Comment your answer in the comment box. So we will cover rest of the chapter in the next part. Thank you, students.